Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to submit a sitemap in Google Search Console in 2026. Submitting a sitemap helps Google discover and crawl your website's pages more efficiently, which can improve indexing for new and updated content. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and select your verified website. From the left-hand menu, click on *sitemaps*. You'll see a field labeled Add a new sitemap ***. Before submitting your sitemap, make sure your website has one. Most WordPress SEO plugins like Rank Math or Yoast SEO automatically generate a sitemap. In most cases, your sitemap URL will be *yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml*. If you're using another platform, check where your sitemap is located. Now, enter the sitemap URL in the field. Usually, you only need to type *sitemap.xml* if your domain is already selected. Then click the *submit* button. Google will process your request, and within a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation message if the sitemap was submitted successfully. Your sitemap will then appear in the Submitted Sitemaps list, where you can monitor its status. If Google reports an error, double-check that the sitemap URL is correct, publicly accessible, and not blocked by robots, TXT, or other website settings. Also, make sure your website has already been verified in Google Search Console before submitting a sitemap. After your sitemap is accepted, Google will regularly check it for new or updated pages. This helps search engines discover your latest content faster, although it doesn't guarantee immediate indexing. It's also a good idea to resubmit your sitemap if you make major changes to your website or launch a large number of new pages. Keeping your sitemap updated makes it easier for Google to understand your site's structure. That's it. You've successfully submitted a sitemap in Google Search Console. In the next video, I'll show you how to index a website with Google Search Console step by step. If you found this